Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm excited to share my experience with the new iPad mini. After using it for a while, I can confidently say that it's been a fantastic addition to my tech collection. Let's dive into what makes this device so great. One of the first things I did was get a protective case for my iPad mini. I opted for a budget-friendly DSR case, which has been a great alternative to Apple's Smart Folio. It offers similar protection and functionality, but at a fraction of the cost. If you're looking to save some money without compromising on quality, this case is definitely worth considering. Now let's talk about my lock screen setup. I've customized it to include the date, time, upcoming events, temperature, and battery widgets. This setup helps me stay organized and informed at a glance. It's a small detail, but it makes a big difference in my daily routine. Moving on to the home screen, I've split it into two sections. The top half is dedicated to widgets, while the bottom half is reserved for my favorite apps. This layout keeps everything I need within easy reach and makes the most of the iPad mini's compact screen. Let's take a closer look at the widgets I have on my home screen. First up is the Apple TV widget, which shows the current shows I'm watching. It's a convenient way to keep track of my favorite series. Next, I have the Apple News widget, which keeps me updated with the top stories and trending news. It's perfect for staying informed throughout the day. The calendar widget is another essential, displaying my events and integrated reminders. It helps me stay on top of my schedule. The weather widget provides quick temperature updates, so I always know what to expect when I step outside. For reading, I use the Apple Books widget, where I enjoy mysteries and thrillers. It's a great way to unwind. For content consumption, I have widgets for Netflix and YouTube, my go-to apps for watching videos. Lastly, the Apple Files widget is where I store my documents, B-roll, and personal media. It keeps everything organized and easily accessible. Now let's move on to the apps I use regularly. For social media graphics, I rely on Camera, X, formerly Twitter, and Studio. These apps help you create and share content efficiently. For video editing, I use the App Store, Instagram, and LumaFusion. They provide powerful tools for editing and enhancing my videos. For content interaction and engagement, I use Threads and YouTube Studio. These apps allow me to stay connected with my audience and manage my channel effectively. Other essential apps include Settings, Voice Memos, Prime Video, Disney+, Teams, Outlook, Amazon Maps, ChatGPT, and Yelp. These utilities and streaming apps cover a wide range of needs from communication to entertainment. I primarily use my iPad mini for media consumption and light editing. It's the perfect device for watching videos, reading, and managing my social media presence. The compact size and powerful features make it a versatile tool for both work and leisure. I'd love to hear your thoughts on the iPad mini and any app recommendations you might have. Feel free to share your favorite apps in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tech reviews and updates.